Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. It really means so much to me for you guys' support. And also, you guys, today is the second episode of All Things Deep Clean, and today we're going to be in the kitchen. I'm going to get all in the crevices under the sink, as well as wipe down the appliances and the walls that's near the appliances. And also, you guys, I just want to let you know that I will not be cleaning the oven because the oven is pretty much clean on the inside. And also, I will not be tackling this part of the oven right here because I will have to take that oven apart, and I'm not about to do that today. And also in the video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my floors with the steam mop. So if you're interested in seeing what I use and how I do it, I ask that you stick around to the end. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and also, you guys, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a video. And until next time, I will see you guys Thursday. Bye guys.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. About the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out, you know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you, the way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.